Hello there, audio people. Today I'm releasing a test version of Rendervan with a WWise transfer feature. So now you'll have this blue button here that will open everything WWise related. But before I show you what it does, I would like to do a quick overview of basic features of Rendervan for people that are new to the tool. If you're interested only in WWise related content, just skip to the second half of the video. So the workflow of naming and rendering audio from Reaper using Rendervan is very simple. You select all of your items and time, and then you input the name of your render as well as the channel count. Then you press the name button. Rendervan will detect variations, name them accordingly, and create these folder items that store the information about the channel count and where the render is coming from. All of your named renders are previewed within the table inside the main window, and here you can select them by dragging the mouse over them. If you want to render your audio, you simply press the render button. The source of render is 6 folder track in this case. The channel count is stored within the folder item, and the paths are determined by whatever you specify within the preferences window. You can have one path within the project folder and one external path that you can specify anywhere you like. You can also specify what number the variations will start numbering from and prevent double rendering if you're only transferring files to WWise. All of the exposed parameters of the render that you see in front of the window are applicable while you render your audio. You can choose your bit depth, sample rate, normalize your sounds, limit your sounds, and so on. Also in the main window you have a text input to filter your sounds and this clear button to clear any selections you've made. One last button that we didn't talk about is the adjust button, so if you make any adjustments to your design and press it, Rendervan will crawl through the whole session and adjust render items and regions to the edits you've made previously. The table has key commands. So to highlight, you basically drag your left mouse button. To cancel the highlight, you drag with Control. And if you click on something with Alt pressed, it will be flagged for second pass render. The whole interface is designed to be very easy and snappy and easy to use. Okay, and now let's talk about the new WWise feature. So now, when you press the WWise button, it will open a new window that connects to your open WWise project and previews the actor mixer hierarchy from WWise inside Reaper. Now you can just drag and drop audio with Shift from Rendervan window inside any object within WWise hierarchy. All pending renders will be previewed in the table above. Here you can also enclose your renders within any object that WWise provides. So you can enclose it in random container, switch container, whatever. The name of the container is specified in the text box on the right. When you press transfer, Rendervan will bounce all of your audio with correct settings and import it to WWise to the desired place within the actor mixer hierarchy. Of course, WWise window has a search bar for easy navigation. We'll preview matching sounds or containers, and it has a compact view that will just collapse all of the sounds into the containers so the hierarchy is easier to read. What is pretty cool is that you don't really need to put sounds in the hierarchy. You can just drag and drop them with Shift onto the WWise button itself, and then Rendervan will override the files that you have existing in your originals folder. Here I accidentally highlighted Spooky Drone that is non-existent in WWise project right now. In that case, Rendervan will notify you that this one file has not been replaced because it was non-existent in the project. Rendervan with all of its new WWise functionalities is now available in my REAPER pack as a test for anyone that wants to give me feedback on how it works and what they like to see in it in the future.